Start with a 4 or 5 pound pork shoulder or pork butt. Trim off the excess fat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a hot pan and sear the pork on all sides until golden brown. While that's going, make sure to get your wet spice rub ready. You'll need olive oil, tomato paste, soy sauce and packed brown sugar, cumin, oregano, salt, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, and ground chipotle chili pepper. Stir all of the ingredients together in one bowl. And I will say that it's much easier to combine when you're not holding the camera in your hands. The mixture should end up looking like this. Take your mixture and rub it generously over each piece of pork butt, covering every area to get that delicious spice on every bite. Don't miss a spot. Oops, missed a spot. Put your meat into your slow cooker and slowly pour a 1/4 cup of orange juice over each piece of meat. Oh, it smells delicious. Make sure you add 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. You'll find it in the barbecue sauce section. Add lime juice and devein and de-seed 1 jalapeno. Chop it up. And don't forget your whole onion chopped in on top of the meat. Cover and cook on low for 8 to 9 hours or high like I did for 5 hours. Take the meat out and fork tender meat will just fall right off. If you can keep from eating it all right then, put it back into your slow cooker. Stir it around into all the juices of the spice mixture. Put the lid on and just let it sit for 20 minutes. It's ready to eat right now if you want it nice and moist, or if you want the crispy carnita ends, have a foil-lined roasting pan and spread the meat into a single layer. It'll make 2 pans. Put it in an oven of 450 degrees for about 15 minutes, and the meat will get a little crispier. If you want it even more crispy, put it in the broiler, but be careful, don't let it burn. Add your favorite taco toppings to this, and don't forget to make our Some Like It Hot tomatillo salsa with avocado. Serve with cilantro lime rice on a taco shell, or just on top of the rice. It's so delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Now stay tuned for the recipe.